Okay, folks, we're in the home stretch, so let's talk about certification. First, as we mentioned before in the documentation and records video, the ATR Team Lead must complete a statement of technical review for each formal ATR milestone and include this statement in the ATR report. In addition, the ATR Team Lead must complete an ATR certification for the final deliverable work product ATR as identified in the review plan. The only exception here is for decision documents during the planning or feasibility phase, which adhere to review requirements in EP 1105-2-61. The statement of technical review must include a summary of each unresolved issue and an examination of DQC adequacy. For each formal ATR event, the ATR team should examine relevant DQC records and will provide written comment as to the apparent adequacy of the DQC effort for the associated work product or service. The ATR Team Lead, PM, RMO, and district leadership, for example, the Chief of Engineering and the Chief of Planning Divisions, will concur that the issues raised by the ATR team have been resolved or have been elevated for resolution. The PDT must allow adequate time for completing the Statement of Technical Review. The PDT should schedule a minimum of 14 calendar days for the RMO to review and certify the Statement of Technical Review. By signing the ATR certification, the district leadership, again meaning the chiefs of engineering or planning as applicable, certifies policy compliance of the work product and that the ATR activities were sufficient and documented. Before the ATR certification is completed, the PDT will ensure that all agreed upon changes have been incorporated into the final work product. For those cases where commitments are made to incorporate changes in the next phase of work, for example, advancing from planning into implementation, agreed upon deferrals will be documented in the ATR certification. The ATR certification marks the last step in the ATR process, so if you've made it this far, congratulations. And thanks again for ensuring quality is just as important as schedule and budget on core projects.